G-41 MiG Jet Teyara 2025, Ike futuristic fighter jet high jo technology or design ka Ike naya benchmark set karta high. Jab pali nazar pati high is par, toiska glossy ultra shiny finish or aerodynamic structure torrent attention grab karta high. Ya jet specifically stealth or speed ko focus main rock car design kia gaya high, or iska performance battle readiness ka asli proof high. Iska advanced cockpit, digital interface or multi-layered control system pilot ko like seamless flying experience dita high. Engine key roar powerful high, lekin surprisingly efficient, jo fuel consumption ko cam or output ko max rockta high. Iska exterior design minimal or modern high, lekin har curve scientifically tested aerodynamics kumutabik bana hua high. G-41 MiG Ku wings foldable or reactive design main tire kai ge hain, just maneuverability zyada or drag kemhota high. Iski rear thrusters next-gen propulsion technology isi equipped hain jo jet ko extreme speed or vertical lift capabilities provide karti hain. Is main radar absorbing material use hua high jo stealth missions kaliya isi ideal banata high. Interior keybot carry into G-41 MiG Ka dashboard cockpit full digital glass panel par based high Jime AI assisted navigation, tactical HUD or real-time diagnostics system installed high. Pilot kuliya ergonomics top-notch high, sab kuch intuitive or finger touch access main high. Night vision, heat signature tracking, or autolock target acquisition J's features easy combat zones main unbeatable ban 8 hain. Is main multi-weapon compatibility high, short-range missiles, long-range interceptors or smart bombs sab included hain. Flight testing could duran iska stability, agility or altitude performance exceptional dekagaya. High-speed turns or zero-gravity maneuvers could doran be jet bilkul balance or control main reta high. Iska pink glossy color surf aesthetic nahin, balke heat deflective coating ka part be high jo high altitude or supersonic flight main temperature ko regulate karta high. Yes surf ek fighter jet nahi, ek tech marvel high jo air superiority ka future define karta high. Teyara 2025 initiative kutahat, G-41 MiG national defense kuliya Ike game changer sabat ho raha high. Ya jet ground control or satellite sync systems SA connected high jo real-time command feedback provide karta high. Combat or surveillance dano kuliya equally powerful high. Har angle asigdeka J Toya jet future warfare kuliya tire high, stylish, powerful or smart. G-41 MiG Jet Teyara 2025 Ek ultimate fusion high engineering.